If you're running Google Ads for your law firm and those clicks aren't turning into signed cases, you're not alone. Most attorneys assume that by spending money on Google Ads, they're going to be getting more qualified leads. But that isn't the reality for a lot of firms. They get a lot of clicks, but not a lot of signed cases. Without setting up the Google Ads account properly, you're most likely throwing away money on clicks that will never convert. Today, I'm going to be breaking down why your Google Ads aren't converting and how to fix it. If you're new here, I'm Kaylee with Legal Lead Sharks, your Google Ads expert. My agency runs Google Ads exclusively for law firms, which means we know exactly what works and what doesn't when it comes to getting real high-valued cases, not just expensive clicks. So here are the top 5 reasons that your Google Ads aren't converting. Reason number 1, you're targeting the wrong audience. Not all traffic is good traffic. Just because someone clicked on your ad doesn't mean they actually needed a lawyer. And if your campaigns aren't properly structured, you could be paying for clicks from people who will never turn into signed cases. Maybe they're researching, looking for free legal advice, but at the end of the day, they're completely irrelevant to your law firm. The second reason that we see that your Google Ads might not be converting is improper landing page setup. If your landing page isn't set up and optimized to convert Google Ads leads, they most likely are clicking on your ad and bouncing right back off. A lot of law firms are still making one of the biggest mistakes that they could make within Google Ads, which is running the ads directly to their websites. I know your website's beautiful and you most likely invested a lot in your website. 9 times out of 10, websites for law firms are not set up to convert Google Ads. Highly converting landing pages should speak directly to the pain point and the solution that you offer, and should directly align with whatever the searcher typed into Google to find your ads. 2, it has to have a strong call to action. We see a lot of landing pages that have confusing calls to action, too many calls to action options, or only one call to action option, such as fill out a form, when the person may want to call or start a live chat on the site. And 3, landing pages have to be optimized for mobile, including the page speed. Google has kind of a scorecard. All of these factors play into how much you're paying for the click, how often you're showing up in the top 3 results, and how often they will allow you to participate in the bidding. Most would assume if you're giving Google money and telling it what you want, they would let you into all of the bidding, but that's not the case. Google prioritizes user satisfaction. So in the scorecard, they make sure that if people are clicking on your ads, they're converting at a high enough rate. Otherwise, it dings you on your quality score, and your cost is going to go up, and the amount of times you show up is going to go down. Next, and we see this one a lot, generic ad copy. I can't tell you how many times in the personal injury niche that I've seen the exact same ads and the exact same ad copy. You have to stand out from the crowd. Otherwise, you're blending in and there's nothing unique to set you apart. An example of that would be need a lawyer? Call now versus hurt in a car accident? No fees unless we win. Call now for a free case review. Mistake number 4 that we often see that's causing their Google Ads accounts to see little to no conversions is they don't have their conversion tracking set up properly. If your conversion tracking is not set up properly, you're flying blind. You have no idea what's working and what's not working within your Google Ads account. And we've seen even experienced Google Ads agencies get this one wrong. We need to know exactly what keywords and what landing pages are bringing the highest conversions so that we can put more of that budget towards what's working. And if you're not properly tracking your conversions, you'll have no idea what's working. Mistake number 5, this is the most common mistake that we see, especially for personal injury law firms, is the intake team is not properly set up to convert a lead to a signed case. Speed to lead matters. Having an intake team that's trained not only on getting your qualifying questions, but knowing how to take the lead through the journey all the way to the signed case. Building value, speaking with compassion, knowing the pain points. Here at Legal Lead Sharks, we team up with a trained bilingual call center based out of the US. So if your firm doesn't have the margin to take all of these calls and qualify them and turn them into signed cases, we can help you outsource that to a team that knows exactly what to do. Because no matter how efficient we get your Google Ads account, the only thing that matters is results, and that those leads are turning into signed cases for your firm. So if you're running Google Ads and you're not getting real cases, chances are you're making one of those 5 mistakes. Again, here at Legal Lead Sharks, we specialize in Google Ads for law firms. We help attorneys just like you stop wasting money on Google Ads and start landing real high-value cases. If you're ready to fix your campaigns and get better results, click the link in the description below to book a no-obligation discovery call with us. Let's see if we can improve your caseload while lowering your wasted ad spend. If you've missed any of our previous videos on all the tips and tricks that we share so that law firms can get the most out of their Google Ads, be sure and click one of these videos next. We'll see you in the next video.